whosoever have done that before, because you want to know the classes of fire that. So no material involved. We have some. So it's true. Yeah, we have died though. The only like it is not coming out. A man went to fight the fire, know that a live wire dropped into the water. So when he just stepped on it and said, ah, he can stand still. Still. He dies. Another one just last year, he went to do rescuing in the water. After you are dead, they will promote you to ADO. You understand? When you go to fire scene, you go with passion. Because, let me educate you on this. You see this thing, we call the 8 cardinal point, and it is internationally recognized. The only different thing is what it is in the middle. Ghana, we have the what? The fireman axe, our helmet, and then pickaxe in it. That is our symbol. If you go to US or America, UK, or all those sort of things, it's the same thing as this. But the middle one also be like different. That's why if you are seeing that, you can see that a fireman is wearing a uniform, crossing a border without them questioning him. But when a policeman make an attempt, they say, hey, where are you going? You have to retreat. Because we can wear our uniform to any other place. It is internationally what? Recognized. And you Ghana hand one on my end, if I show you. If you go to one here, they are highly respected. It will only Ghana. The last data I checked, besides South Africa, we are second in the whole Africa when it comes to tackling fire. But still almost saying, yeah. Still almost saying, so, as I was saying, we will have to begin with these children to help ourselves. Even if they discover something in the school, they can even prompt you that the fireman say this. Pressure home. Look, there are certain things that you will see and you have not seen it because of pressure. When you come to the house and I'm in the house, I always go to one corner and I see like this. Then my papa said, "That add them, so you don't know what is going on." Because I'm calculating, subtracting and adding. Okay. So let me touch on gases. It is not part, but so far I'm about here. American gas asset. We are all using gases in our home.
School kitchens,
and it is the one that is killing them. The one that's the one that I'm talking of. According to the boy, they kept something on the fire, and they decided to go and bath in the bathroom. They left it. So let's assume that the regulators are more than 2. Probably one is on, where the gas is leaking without you knowing. The other one is on fire. And you know, in a confined place, when the gas is leaking, it accumulates because it doesn't have space to go out. It say accumulate sana, then heat in the camera. Now where to go? 30 rooms. I'm saying wake up, papa, the man will definitely die. 30 rooms, everything, 5 cars, 30 rooms. It's not easy. Gas, I said yeah. Because how is he going? This our homes we don't insure them. Why I say now I have insurance, so insurance will come. No. Now you're voting before this one came, the Lapa and other one, and other one too came in. When they used to fill the water, they only leave some space, 2 of us. It's not true. Nowadays, almost in my identity, you have to space for what? That's how some of us behave when we go to the gas filling station. Say, no, better say, on filling man in your man. Then, if the attendant say, oh, there is space for what? I mean, if you come, then you calculate. Oh, I see I'm going to check on to him. Please, he or she is killing you. When you go and they say it's 200, the 16 kg is now 210, right? Or is it 220 series? When they mention the price that they mention for you, just fill it. Don't add anything. When you overeat, what happens? You can't sit, you can't stand, you can't sleep, then you just worry. You even want to vomit, but you cannot even vomit and then be free. The same thing applies to the what? To the cylinder. When the cylinder is overfilled, you give it pressure. So anything that hits, the space that is there is for sound. So when the space is there and anything that hits, the space receives the sound. Now, space never want to receive sound. You have occupied it. So now the space is not there. The space is not there for the sound to happen. The space is not there to receive the sound. Into obey or the pressure. Into pressure. What did you mean about bow? You know where they So when it's happening, like to explode. But when I say fireman or can they be a yes, it's true. The day that your people will not sleep will be the day that it will explode. You understand my problem? I said the day that your people will not sleep, the day that you will know that it will explode or not. Like my small was I said, but that make back what that not be share that. Or money. So please don't overfill it. After filling it from the gas filling station to your house, 15-20 minutes time before you couple. I said what? 15-20 minutes time before you couple. Because when you take the empty cylinder, you can see that there is some liquid substance in it. That liquid substance, when you fill the gas, it mixes with the gas. The gas looks like vapor. So it mixes with that gas. And when we mix that gas, it gives it pressure. So whosoever has experienced it before, especially the automatic one, anytime you turn the knob, it will sound close. It's because of the pressure. Because that liquid is supposed to settle down and let the gas suspend on top so that it can come on. Now the liquid has been mixed with that substance, so it can't come. When unfortunately you do now, then it will come and then the time you realize it goes off. It's not true. So please put it down for 15-20 minutes time. Then you couple it. If you know that you cannot do that too, I beg you, look for Gary, student companion. Somebody asked me a question. Be the idea is so. You hear an answer. You can feel about it, but I'm seeing you. The right way of turning off your stove is from the cylinder. The reason being that the content is coming from the cylinder. Cylinder also applies stove the gas. So when you turn it off from the stove, some still remains in the hose. So say, yeah, I didn't know and I say hit the doors one. And gas behaves like a man. What I say? Or I should explain. I should explain, right? All right. The reason why I say gas behaves like a man, I always use gas and petrol. If I have petrol in this container, without me knowing that the dam is what? Is having a hole. When the petrol is leaking and come into contact with any leakage flame, it will be tracing the leakage. Yeah. Is that also? That is a woman. So petrol is a woman. You are getting my point? Yes, yes. And the gas, when the flame is here, and then it leaks plenty leakage, it will go and pick the naked fire and bring it to where it is, then boom. That is it. It won't more about who say religion, and one more about who air gas, what of a bit to do, what of a Canada about. It's not true. It's true. So that's how it is. So sometimes they'll say that somebody told me that a certain fireman said, like, you said that your room is full of gas. that they said they should open the windows. And I said, these things that we are always saying, it is that you were taught at the Catholic school. A simple ideology. You just apply it. The reason why we say don't open the windows is that gas not leaking. A demon air confined. So the gas is being what? I got a whole baby. It's so for be a window now. Let's not provide the guy. I say, I what to now? A pipe. So a pipe may be a leaking flame over. That's why we say don't open the window. So what do? Just fresh water. Spring it inside the room. Go out and close your window. 15-20 minutes time, come and open it. Everything is done. It's not magic. The reason why we also say that mount your cylinder outside. We say leaky kakra. If you leaky kakra from my end, at the pop, it will not mean for fire unless the fire is close to the cylinder before it can catch fire. But if it remains in the room, I wouldn't say leaky. So all your clothes, so your switch like this. Because the vent goes. It is a mutri anye ye. Now we na anye duma to say am na 2020. Ura ma we na anye duma o say na so like onya so pet boom. Because there are three things that give us fire. And we call it fire triangle. I say muchia we na ba onu. We are put the against when you remember. So the fire triangle, one is called heat. The other one is called fuel. In fire, when you say fuel, anything that can burn is fuel, not necessarily petrol. Then the last one, fuel, heat, and oxygen. It says, gas, we are having now. And before you on this thing or off it, you know, you can go. It's what we are now. If your switch, your plug, plug beer, any plug any shame now for sparks. If you move. So now, gas now then you just want it. The gas is already there, waiting for what? Heat. Oxygen too is there, sitting waiting. It's when you're heat in Mbappe will be sick. You understand? So make good use of the nose. The Amina matter I'm talking is not a joke. 2020, I should tell you. Oh, we. Not anything near matches. It will be a regulator first. Offer matches never been. I've been doing it. You will see over 10 off the block. Offer matches, offer and the real name. Offer and a woman. She dies. I was saying this thing until I met the junior sister at Total 2 at Champion. I was saying, this sister, I'm sorry for saying this. But we want to use this for people who know what's going on. If they see the same year, new one, or is it a new one? But that man, I always say that why you believe you come and you come function non heaven. Because what your man for be required, it was that Mugo consultant and I ain't consultant. The one with the banner on top. It's for light soup. Okay, rice, stew. I did be a check there, and I did away. And I did come to food. They did not bet. I have been buying cutting wine. Bambara business. Bambara business, it takes so many hours before it can come. So, see who's a Ben and Ankasana. Robert C. do one. Who's a chef Ben so Nankasa. Robert C. this one beside me now. It's our Robert C. You know. Who touchy when not compatible. So space there down. Wakata. Now come be opinion one. Who said Ben I didn't cheer. It will not peer. Not quite a peer. No. So when you use it for so long, that rubber seal, those two rubber seals, it becomes heated. It is an apple. We are going to say, especially O1. Oh, the back rubber. Okay. It won't say rubber and now. That's where you see that. What's right now? Begin now as on say and get. But for some time, we say now a baby. So you have to go and regulate it. You are welcome, but now say Okwana okache no feeling gas ni say na no be feeling gas no one man anyama adi so hu say anyama one kan kire no dia kwa bia be e dia kisu wa na wo ye because fire be da ma gas ni e ba mo papa ni no e change LED because of signal inside it na no when you charge it wa charge about to explode but explode no anka pressure bi amba ma na onya ade kata so a anka obetumi du jam but okotam so okoto akunu abonte so when the gas tangle so the pressure has come it is already also because na heat na won da you never pay for an engine so gas no why I want